These are my teeth after having several of them pulled due to losing calcium when I was pregnant over 20 years ago. I've lost confidence in my smile. But pop-on veneers, they help you. This is the top. And here is the bottom. Now, it's like that because through the years I didn't have a bridge. My bridge fell out. And so my gum did different. But anyway, now I have a smile that I can be proud of. You will not regret it if you order pop-on veneers. You have to get used to talking in them. They say sing in the shower. It's a little bit of how you learn to move your tongue when you talk. I'm getting a little bit better every day, but I highly recommend them because they're very helpful, very kind. They respond quickly to your emails. If your first impression kit doesn't work for you, they'll send you another one. If that one doesn't work, they'll send you another one. Best decision that I've made. I can smile again, so thank you to Pop-On Veneers. I am a proud member of the Pop-On family, and I just hope that, again, if you're thinking about it, just do it. You will not regret it. Thanks.